India and China dispute has been raging over the Galwan Valley, which witnessed a clash recently in which 20 Indian soldiers, including Indian Army Colonel Santosh Babu, died. The region of Galwan River has had a very painful history. In 1962, the war with China started from here. China attacked the Galwan post at 5:30 am on 20th October 1962. After nearly an hour of shelling, the Chinese army attacked with the strength of about 1 battalion. By evening, China occupied the Galwan post. 68 Indian soldiers were present there, 36 were martyred while protecting their border. Many Indian soldiers also ended up becoming prisoners of war. After this war, China captured Aksai Chin entirely. This war lasted for a month in which around 20,000 Indian soldiers and 80,000 Chinese soldiers took part. On 21st November 1962, a ceasefire was declared which led to the end of the war. Galwan Valley lies along the western sector of line of actual control and close to Aksai Chin, an Indian territory under Beijing's control. Galwan River is located between Ladakh and Aksai Chin near LAC. This valley extends from Ladakh towards India to southern Xinjiang of China. The river Galwan was named after Ghulam Rasul Galwan. He was a resident of Leh and was a trekking guide. He discovered this river around 1900. The Galwan River originates from Samangalinga in the eastern end of Karakoram range, then flows to west and joins the Shyok River. Indian soldiers keep patrolling the valley of this river so that any encroachment can be stopped. Now a bridge is being built on this river from the Indian side. In view of the current tense situation, India has accelerated the construction of the bridge.